Hello and welcome to the top 7 wallbangs of the week. I am Slacker
And this is Dumley.
and we're going to look on the wallbangs of the week. Here's number 7. This is a crazy wallbang. I think he has UAV and he just decides to bang him.
And here, number 6, we have this next wallbang where this guy, I don't know how, maybe UAV, but the gun looks pretty fucked, and there it is.
Here's number 5 and this again using intervention. See someone there? Goes around the corner and pure luck gets him through the wall.
And number 4, we have this, must be UAV, but this is how UAV should be used.
Clearly. Okay, here's number 3 and I think he sees someone up there and go through and BAM! No scopes through the wall.
Number 2, we have standing on the crane, and he spots someone going into the house and jumps it off and dies.
Yep, and number 1, the best wallbang ever of the week. And I don't know, see someone in the elevator I think, and he's just quick scoping through the wall. Oh my god. Anyway, thanks for watching. This was Slacker and